Well, here we are again, this time with 3 more Dekotora trucks by Choro-Q. There's 2 with 6 wheels and 1 with the 4 wheels, so unfortunately I couldn't really tell you what they're called, like the names. I think that's the name of the truck, but I don't know for sure, because I put Google Translate and it comes up with several different translations on the same text. So if anyone actually can write English, please leave a comment as to what the name of these trucks are. That would be great. But otherwise, we're just gonna have to enjoy their craziness. All right, I guess we'll start with this one here. Apparently, this is opened before. Okay. And it said here on the card 2003, so kind of an old toy here. Well, you know what, let's just open all 3 of them up. So this one says 2005, so it's much newer. And this one still has some tape down here, so I think this is new, old stock. Oh, still taped up here as well. Alrighty. And then this one's from 2002, and so I guess it came in the box. Oh, this is already opened before. Alright. So, you know what, let's start with the small one here. So I really don't have anything to compare to, but I did bring up this photo. It's a relatively small truck, right? Kind of similar in proportion. So this is a really goofy looking truck. It's just so tall yet so short, and so this Choro-Q actually looks kind of similar to it. Alright, well, let's see here. Oh, actually, if I recall, I think this truck might be called Princess Yasha. At least that's what the listing said. So, correct me if I'm wrong, maybe that says Princess Yasha. I don't know who that person would be. Okay, so obviously it's a very orange theme going on. We have these really strong protrusions going on here. I'm guessing they're like LED, well, they're filled with lights or something, like a billboard. And then, look at that. So, there's a little gimmick right there. So it can become a crazy flying gull wing. Ooh, Princess Yasha is having some sort of affairs there. Okay, well, interesting little gimmick there. It's got your standard length Choro-Q wheelbase, I think. It does say here it's from 2002. And then just a lot of chrome going on. Oh, this actually has a real license plate, so I'm going to guess this is a real truck in the real world. Just some gold here for the headlights. There's some sort of nameplate there. I don't know if this is totally blacked out or smoked. I think it's blacked out. Can't see any indication of the pick there. A whole lot of, tampo printing of orange up here, and then some protruding bumps in the chrome plastic. And this one has to have some missiles, apparently. It's 4 missiles, actually. So that's pretty neat. Just some rib details there. And then crazy big back bumper with the license plate again, and maybe a name. And what is up with this character? She's a sultry one. Okay, well, we got some red tampo there looking pretty good. So what's nice about, this is all the color tampos on the chrome plastic look very, very vibrant. They look like they're lit up almost because they're so shiny. Unfortunately, this main cabin is just a raw, swirly silver plastic, so you can see all the swirls in it. It makes it look kind of cheap. I think it would have been cooler if it was painted silver. But I'm going to guess this toy didn't cost a whole lot when it was brand new. There's a screw holding that part together there. But yeah, it's interesting. I'm not sure why. Well, I'm going to guess maybe the real truck opens this way. That's the only thing I can think of as to why they made this toy this way. So interesting. Okay, well, let's put that aside for now. So now we get the 6-wheelers here, the 3-axle guys. So again, it's not the same truck, but they do have trucks of this similar dimension, I guess, in the real world. So, well, I'm not sure. This looks like a more classic toy right here. This one. This looks like a truck maybe from the 70s or the 80s. I love this, a giant 3-dimensional eagle there. It's actually sculpted, the wings and stuff. Headlights have some silver. We have orange on the markers there, a little gold there as well, and a real license plate number, I'm gonna guess. Again, I'm just kind of guessing about the license plate, but why wouldn't they have this be a real truck? Alright, there's a bear. There's a samurai or a shogun. And license plate. This is all just flat here. This does actually hold a coin still, so I'm gonna guess maybe this can still do a wheelie? Yeah, the motor's on the back axle, so maybe it can actually do a wheelie, which would be pretty crazy seeing that thing do that. I don't actually have a coin with me right now, and this booth is too small to try to have it do a wheelie. These are just flat graphics here, and then that same bear, is it? No, it's a little bit different. This has white stars and different text apparently. Okay. Yeah, some more flat graphics. This is a sticker actually. I can see the outline of the sticker, so that's interesting. Oh yeah, it's a sticker. Right there's the edge. Okay, 3 signs up there. I don't know what that means. I've seen on other ChoroQ Dekotoras. Alright, so this seems a little plainer, I guess, than the other one. Not even a graphic up top, sadly. But, I still like the unique license plates. Alright, this last one here. Red wheels here. Bunch of stickers here. This is like an empty dump truck, I guess. Oh, and look at this. I guess it must... This opens, probably. Yeah. Okay, so it's a little bit of a gimmick again, but I guess for a toy, you know, that's what gets kids to want these things, or in this case, an adult. I don't know, what either. Why is there a gangster? The Eiffel Tower? Arc de Triomphe, is that what that is? I forget, sorry. I've never been to France. Okay, anyways, another license plate there, and then some orange paint on these raised bumps. Red dragon. Some sort of black graphics, some ladder graphics, maybe stickers again. I think that's a sticker. Alright, different type of grill, lights here. It's just a revolver sticker there. Unfortunately, the corner of the sticker is a little messed up. A banner, a rose, a license plate, some text again. This one, France and Paris, okay. And then a crazy looking snake in a mask of some sort. Alright, so yeah, it's just funny to look at all these crazy graphics. I'm gonna assume there must be a story behind most of these graphics, but well, I guess only the owner of this real truck would be able to tell you. Alright, very cool. Let's pull out the spinning thing here. Well, here we are with some modified wheels. This short one is running some Hot Wheels Real Rider type of things. They're just the Steelies from the Hot Wheels. This I just painted the black inside the hollow spokes area, and then I painted the rim silver with a paint marker. But this one I made my own 3D printed wheel designs. They're, you know, just my own design, I guess. So that's that. I guess I'll just show off the other Dekotora trucks here. This one I did before, and it's got some photo shift painted Hot Wheels wheels. This has some wheels I don't even know where they came from. I just bought a bulk purchase of a bunch of wheels, and those were in them. Maybe they're majorettes, I'm not sure. And then this truck here just has the stock gold wheels, but again I put some black paint in between the spokes. So now my Dekotora collection is up to 6. I'm pretty sure they made many more, so hopefully there'll be a part 3 to come. Until then, I appreciate you guys watching today, and I guess I'll see you guys later. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.